Welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and remove user accounts on LENOVO V15. First, open the Start menu and go to System Settings. Then open the Accounts section right here on the sidebar. Scroll down to Other Users option and click Add Account next to Add Other User Action. Now, if you want to add another user using their Microsoft account, you have to provide either their email or phone number into this field, and provide their Microsoft account password in the following field, and then provide the password for optional provide the password for their Windows account. And once you do that, their account will be added to your system. But if you want to create an account locally, select I don't have this person sign-in information. Then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Give them a username. Make a password for them and confirm it in the following field. Now select or rather choose 3 different security questions for them. So just in case you or them or they forget their password, you'll be able to recover the access to their account by entering by providing the answer to one of these security questions. So let's provide answers to these questions, and make sure that you remember them. Maybe write them down, the answers I mean. And then click Next to confirm. And now their account is added to your system. If you want to switch to their account, you have to select Start, then select your account right here, tap the 3-dot icon in the top right corner of this window, and then select their account to switch to it. Now, if you want to remove their account from your system, you have to expand this menu and select Remove right here. Now, be aware that before you remove their account, you're gonna have to sign out of it on your computer. Before you do that, you won't be able to remove their account. But once you're ready, just click Remove, then delete account and data, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If this helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.